have a really good panel today talking about user-generated content.
We're going to kick off.
Hi everybody, how are you doing?
Do I need to say more? It's really just understanding the value of what social can bring.
I'm looking forward to the overall event, but mostly how brands can connect with consumers digitally and maybe finding out a way of how to streamline that process a little bit more.
That's a lot of spark in the air.
What I'm really looking forward to here is getting to know other people who work in similar roles with similar challenges.
It's a nice vibe, it's a good location, and what I really like about this kind of conference is that you have all those different panels.
Thanks a million for a great conference. It was brilliant. Really enjoyed it.
Woo! Thank you guys.
For next year, why should people be attending Spark?
Because you missed out on the best first event ever.